of course, it decides to kick on just as I start to do it. You know, did you ever have one of those months where things were just going sideways on you all the time? Really? I mean, really? And it's the middle of July. Why does it pick that to go sideways on you? Hi, I'm Hubby with Just About Anything Garage. This is another exciting episode of Behind the Scenes about what happens when you're trying to do a YouTube channel and things you need to consider are things that you need to do. And the problems that you run into, okay? And it's been one of those months for us because we're trying to get the Ghost Corvette series done, where we get this sucker on the road, and we keep running into little issues. One little issue is a little clip that holds that locking plate right there on that apparently nobody has. They've been waiting eons for it, but finally I found one that somebody had in stock. We got it ordered. It should be here in a couple of days so we can get this project going. Now there's plenty of other things I could do to it, right? But I've already got it significantly torn apart, and you'll see in the one that we did do a couple little things to it that was in a different location. Like we went in, we put the new valve covers on it. We went in and we did the lash on all the settings there. We got power steering pump taken care of, that we were going to do all those little things. We got tires and wheels that we need to do, but what I'm trying not to do is get it all torn apart. We're trying to do this in some specific order. With that, I also do other things like we restore boats, and that's what the project you're about to see. But I hit a stopping point on that because of, well, decidedly my fault on this one. Poor planning. We're putting cabbing in to get this floor all taken up and run out of epoxy. I figured I calculated enough, but nope, taking a lot more than I thought that it took. But anyways, I wanted to get something out to you guys because we were clipping things out series after series after series, and all of a sudden we stopped because we ran into the issues. It's one of those little sideways things that happens when you're running a channel. You just trip over yourself in some cases, like we did with the boat, and or you trip over parts. I mean, parts have been killing me on the vet with that, but it looks like we might be get some of those coming out. So we'll be kicking out series stuff, and we got other exciting stuff coming up for you too. We're doing a little project planning on trying to get Stella, the Imperial, done and ready to go. We got some interior stuff for it, for the seats and things to spruce her up. We're going to go through and clean her up and get her to the point where if you want to, you can run her on the road and do different things to her. You guys really liked having the review on that, so we'll go over her again just to refresh everybody what we were going to do with Stella, and then we'll go ahead and we'll start doing the things, little things like I got a new connector for this window for the regulator so that it works, and all that type of stuff. We'll get her up on the lift again. We'll look underneath her, make sure everything is kosher, anything that needs to be changed there, come up with a plan and just clean her up and get her rocking and rolling and going. All right, but I just wanted to kick something quick out behind the scenes to let you know it ain't all gummy bears, right, and chocolate Easter bunnies. You're running into issues. Of course, everybody knows that. But this month we went sideways because I was hoping to have both of these things out, that at least this first part of the series, because we're doing a series of things with it, right, out to you guys like last week. But universe didn't bless me that way. We're not doing that, so we're close. I just want to let you guys know we're there, but we'll keep cranking at it. We'll get it out. Just know if you decide to put your old channel up, you're gonna hit times where it stops and freezes you cold, and you got to figure out what's going on and do a regroup and get things out. All right, we appreciate you guys if you do all that jazz for me, which is to subscribe and share and comment and like appreciate a good like on this, and all that kind of stuff. We'll get you going and get you some more stuff out there. All right, thanks you guys. We hope we see you later. You guys have a great day, and we'll be back real soon with some more stuff.